The softest Nigerian puff-puff I've ever made, and it's all because of one secret ingredient. Hello, welcome back to Sunshine Yummy Treats. Today I'm showing you how to make Nigerian puff-puff that's softer, fluffier and richer than you've ever had using one special ingredient. If you've ever struggled with flat or hard puff-puff, this recipe will change everything. Stay with me till the end and I will also share 2 mistakes that can ruin your puff-puff and how to avoid them. To make Nigerian puff-puff, start by mixing all your dry ingredients. The full list and measurements of the ingredients will be in the description.
Rising with the sun, every little sprinkle adding to the fun, frosting like a rainbow painted on the top. Happiness is baking and it never wants to stop. Whisk away, oh whisk away, every worry in the way.
Now crack in your egg, which is my star ingredient. It makes the puff-puff softer, gives it a richer taste and helps it stay fluffy for longer. Now add warm water gradually and mix until you have a smooth, stretchy batter.
Something magical in every stir in every...
Number 1 mistake that can ruin your puff-puff is using hot water. Hot water kills the yeast, making your puff-puff not to rise. So always use warm water. Warm water, not hot.
melting slow. In this kitchen, love will grow. Flower in the air, I'm dancing on my feet. Sugar on the counter and a batch so sweet. Mixing up some laughter, need the joy around. Baking memories where love is always found. Whisk away, oh whisk away, every worry in the way. Feel the butter melting slow. In this kitchen, love will grow. Cinnamon and apples rising with the sun. Every little sprinkle adding to the fun. Frosting like a rainbow painted on the top.
Cover your bowl and let it rise in a warm place for about 45 to 40 minutes or until it doubled in size. This step is key for light and hairy Nigerian puff-puff. If you are new here and you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. Please subscribe and join my amazing community. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much. You are amazing.
Doors open to golden sights. Something magical in every stir, in every beat. Life feels better when it's off and heat. Whisk away, oh whisk away, every worry in the way. Feel the butter melting slow. In this kitchen, love will grow. Flower in the air, I'm dancing on my feet. Sugar on the counter and...
Scoop your butter into medium hot oil and fry until golden brown. Remember, don't overcrowd your pan or your puff-puff won't cook evenly.
Love is always found.
This brings us to number 2 mistake that can ruin your puff-puff: overcrowding the pan. It drops the oil temperature and makes puff-puff soggy. So fry in small batches for the best texture and results. Follow these simple tips and your puff-puff will be perfect every time.
Every little sprinkle adding to the fun. Frosting like a rainbow painted on the top. Happiness is baking and it never wants to stop. Whisk away, oh whisk away, every worry in the way. Feel the butter melting slow. In this kitchen love will grow. Soft dough between my fingers, warm and light. Oven doors open to golden sights. Something magical in every stir and every beat. Life feels better when it's oven heat. Whisk away, oh whisk away, every worry in the way.
And here it is, soft, fluffy, slightly rich from the egg. Trust me, one bite and you'll never make puff-puff the old way again. Perfect for breakfast, snacks or party. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share with friends who love Nigerian snacks. And if you've ever made puff-puff before, let me know in the comments. Have you tried adding egg? See you in my next video.